not a total surprise to us that after this development on the Russian-Ukrainian border, Nord Stream 2 would be a topic that will be on the agenda very soon thereafter. We learned yesterday that the certification process is now halted based on a decision the German government has taken. It's difficult for us to judge on what this would eventually mean for the project. I'm still optimistic that this suspension will be only temporary, and that we will see a COD of Nord Stream 2 then hopefully in the near future.
It's Annette here in Frankfurt. Thank you for taking my question as well. How likely would you say is a reversal of the freezing of the project? Because clearly, if you're listening to what comes out of the economy ministry from Robert Habeck, it doesn't really look very likely.
Well, I also read the press and hear news and media, and I think there are some voices from Berlin that are not very optimistic about Nord Stream 2 that I have to acknowledge. But still, I'm optimistic that, and maybe I'm hopeful in particular, that the tensions will relax soon, and that we will then also resume with the certification process. I want to stay optimistic still, and I don't want to attach a probability or a likelihood to this project, whether it will be eventually see a COD or yes or no.
Let us look into 2022, this year, because clearly last year was very volatile when it comes to energy prices, and that was also difficult for your business. So how do you see this year?
Well, I think volatility is here to stay, at least for 2022, if not for the years beyond. I think we are, in our view, we have to get prepared for a different energy market and different commodity price developments. Volatility is something that is here to stay in our view, and hence we have to prepare for that. I don't see why this should only be something that we have experienced in 2021 only, but rather will be something for the next years, and hence we have to adapt to that situation. I think we are not the only ones, but certainly with this entire transformation that we are in, volatility will be almost something that we will have to work on a daily basis.